Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to grill smoked sausage. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to grill smoked sausage is www.answerbag.com. Specifically the page titled How Long Do You Grill Smoked Sausage or Kielbasa? Answerbag. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site bbq.about.com, especially the page Grilling Sausage Techniques to Hold the Flavor In. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 1889872.r.msn.com. The web page Kavanaugh Smoked Sausage, Kavanaugh Smoked Sausage Info. Here's the link.